record for the biggest views
you
on
guys
the
hold the record. No one broke it. Fake OGs try to break it, but you gotta do some work.
I told these guys.
You gotta do some work.
Introverted can't make friends. Pray for better days. Now it's 300K when my day ends. Do you remember last night? Cause I blacked out in that all white dress with a back out. Said be careful with a heart cause it's fragile. Thinking about a past, make a lash out. See with me, it ain't no worries at all. Any problem, I'll be there in one call. If you locked in, you my dog. Finna you hang pictures on my wall.
Hello, what is going on? Up next, trades. Keon back again with another video, and today guys, you saw the topic. We are talking about how to recover from a bad trade. No matter how much analytics, how many type of strategies you use, there might be that one-off chance that you do make a bad trade, but that is not when you quit. It happens to the best of us, best traders in the field. It's all about recovery, what strategies you can implement when you realize you made a mistake to really minimize your loss and eventually come back in the green. But I know that's not why you guys clicked on this video. You guys are here for the project of the day, Yieldzilla. I'm talking about auto staking, 2.5% compounded daily, the highest paying protocol in the space. So first, I'm going to show you guys how to recover from bad trade, and then we're going to roll on over to Yieldzilla. Without further ado, fellas, let's get into it. So fellas, as you can see right over here, what we're going to be looking at is how we can interpret something we call major trend trading. So right guys, this is a pair, it's SRM USAT pair, and we're going to go on the weekly. And as you guys go on the weekly guys, you can check out that here and right now they're closing below this weekly trend. So right now it's in the mix of a bad trade. If this week does end up closing like this, maybe you can try to strand line a bit differently. But again guys, things are not looking so good for these types of cryptos. So this is happening in real life time. It's a trade, and if you look at the head and shoulders, you do the double top, whatever one of these strategies that you use in this situation, you could see that the trade did not go well. And once you implement these, you can see if you look at it vertically, it's like a double top formation within this channel, right? So again, this sometimes means that, well, this can, depending on how it looks like, it can act ahead like a double top. Or what we can do in this situation guys is go up and down, but we really want to consider all the different points and components. So again, if this was released to the market, the lowest price we want down is right over here, and there's going to be a lot of buyers for this cryptocurrency. So make sure you're looking at the volatility, you're looking at the volume, and see that if this only pertains to these certain cryptos that are listed on certain exchanges. And there's going to be a lot of volume coming further. So if you're actually able to hop onto this volume, if you're actually able to catch onto this volume, guys, you can maybe bounce back from this trade. So again, you made the wrong move, you hit the bottom over here, you went into it looking at a different strategy, but once the formation changes, that's when in this situation you'd implement a repeating double bottom. You look at this, and guys, looking at the average, lower by average, slower, and at some point guys, they're going to be taking off. So again, this is what we call recovering from a bad trade. It's increasing right over here. So guys, as you guys can check out, it's increasing in terms, so you know, making higher kinds of type of trades and increasing cumulation. So the cumulation is still sideways, but you're picking up more and more volume in the long term as you're going. So this double top guys usually is on the same level, and we also show that increasing shred on the close of the candle. So again guys, as you can see right here, ready 55, if you meet the close of the candles, there's going to be a slight increase on that. So maybe guys, it's kind of forming a channel in terms of the bottoms of creating right. And if guys, you're able to maintain their price right over here, you have a chance of bouncing back, and within the shadow you can come back and recover from this bad trade. Because again guys, it might not necessarily be a bad trade. So a lot of people, after they're there, they're gonna make that exit because they're in the red. But that's when you step back guys, think of it from a bird's eye view, and if everything aligns, if the chart aligns, that's when you implement a new strategy, which in this situation was the double top strategy. But guys, enough of me talking about recover from bad trade. We are now going to move on to how to get involved with a top project in the space, 2.5% daily, absolutely surreal project. I am talking about Yieldzilla, so let's get into it, fellas. So fellas, as you can see here, we are now live and direct on the Yieldzilla page, and guys, they are doing it all behind the YDZ token. First things first, that is the keys to the kingdom. You see it here, man. Auto staking 0.026 every 15 minutes, 2.5% every day. Guys, this is all compounded and a great way to get a very high return on your funds. But first things first, let me show you guys how you can buy YDZ right over here. Click that button. It will take you live and direct to our favorite pancake, man, on PancakeSwap with YDZ token. You guys can also view the app right over here by clicking view app, and here you guys can check out exactly what is happening, man. Once your wallet is connected, this entire interface changes. You'll be able to buy YDZ over here. Once your wallet's connected, you have the account, you have the calculator, you can see exactly what is going on. If you want to learn more about them, make sure to click on that docs button to get a lot more info, and it's all exquisite stuff here, man, and it really is the yield monster. You guys might think that's a joke, but it is the yield monster, guys. Look at this return. If this is not monstrous, I don't know what is, man. 916,000% APR. You can get access to this, and they provide a decentralized financial asset which rewards users with sustainable fixed compound interest through its unique YAP protocol that I'm going to be explaining to you in just a little minute, man. It's absolutely surreal. Their burn wallet is a dead wallet. It's not accessible by anyone ever, and they have fixed total supply instead of elastic like some of the auto staking protocols. I'm going to be showing you guys that on the docs, and it's just done just as well as that, man. Auto staking simplified. The Yieldzilla auto stake feature is a simple innovation term buy, hold, earn. It provides the ultimate ease of use for YDZ holders and the simple buy and hold YDZ token in your wallet. Watch as you earn rebase rewards via interest payments directly into your wallet, and from there, guys, your holdings will increase every 15 minutes. So very impressive stuff. Using a quantitative rebase formula, Yieldzilla makes it possible for token distribution to be paid directly proportional to the POCH rebase awards. You see the returns it's giving you right over here, and this means that without moving their tokens from their wallet, Yieldzilla holders receive an annual compound interest of over 916,000%. So it's absolutely bonkers, guys. We love to see this. Their KYC is performed by RugDoc, so you have that peace of mind over there that, again, guys, we love to see. And then from there, you have a core team of 6 US based top of the line guys who have made things happen on previous projects. And how much you can really earn, man, this goes back to that calculator, and these numbers are beyond impressive, guys. As impressive as here, these guys are well above that, to the moon. And you guys can check out their special roadmap, how it works. At the end of the year, 1,000 of USD Yieldzilla, guys, look what that could turn to. So really great compounded interest. And checking out their special roadmap, you see the entire breakdown from the insurance fund, so that's there for long-term sustainability. You have treasury, guys, also fund investments, new YDZ projects. You have the black hole, so 3% of all YDZ trades are sent to the black hole, which again, guys, is not accessible by anyone. I just want to point that out again. And then from there, guys, you have the Yieldzilla token, brand and social launch. Again, website and dApp view and development. These guys are just going across the board, hitting all of their milestones, 5,000 holders, 10,000 holders, all the way up to 100,000 holders. You have merchandise coming, coin market cap listing. It's just very impressive stuff. And as I said, guys, KYC is performed by RugDoc, and the audit is by Audit Tech Rate. So this is just to let you know how safe and secure they are. You could view the audit over here or view KYC. You could check out the slippage on the buy, 15%, and 20% on the sell, so really incentivizing you to hold long term, which I love to see. And then past that, you have the Yieldzilla emergency savings. So again, make sure the holders are safe across the board. You have the black hole, as I said, the burn that isn't accessible by anyone, and you have all these details in between. Again, if you're there sitting wondering what is Yieldzilla, well guys, it's a group focused on cutting edge DeFi innovation that creates benefits and value for YDZ token holders. Again guys, we go back to the concept of it being the keys to the kingdom. And any other question you have, man, how can you sustain an IPI that large? That's what I was first wondering, but it's all done through the low token supply, the amazing tokenomics, and how this project is en route. You could also stake, get rebase rewards, and anything else in between. So we really like to see this entire breakdown of the project. It's super impressive across the board, man. You connect your wallet right over here, and if you want to learn anything more about this project, man, make sure to check out their docs. That's where you guys can see what's going on. Again, group focused on cutting edge DeFi innovation that just keeps on growing and just keeps on expanding. So really love to see this, and big shout out to them, man. And that is all the time we have for today. I told you it's the largest APR by any protocol in the crypto space, and we cover a lot of them, man. Up next crypto, we know what we're saying. We cover a lot of these, and I just want to give special credit to Yieldzilla. Again guys, all links are in the description. Make sure to hit that subscribe button, make sure to hit love. Till next time boys, peace.